Here's a 2016 GMC Acadia. Just what you need in a full-size crossover, a large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. Effortlessly seats 7 or 8 passengers and their cargo with the easily accessible third row. Stay safe and connected with OnStar with 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, while the color touchscreen media display, hill hold control, and rear park assist give you extra peace of mind.
Heads-up display puts the important information in your line of sight for a safer drive. You might drive just to listen to the Bose sound system. The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic.
The flexibility and confidence that you deserve. This Acadia is awaiting your test drive today.
Cruise into DeVoe Buick GMC today. We're located 1 mile south of Pine Ridge Road on the corner of Goodlet and Solana Road, or visit DeVoeNaples.com.